Welcome to our lecture today, where we will explore the ecological foundations that underpin sustainability. Our primary goal is to gain a deeper understanding of our Earth and its natural systems. Alright, let us begin our journey by understanding the fundamental concept of ecology, which is crucial for sustainability. Ecology, at its core, is essentially the scientific study of life and its intricate connections. First, we will explore how organisms interact with each other and their surrounding environment. This field thoroughly investigates the complex relationships among all living organisms within an ecosystem. These interactions encompass a wide array of life forms, from plants and animals to vital microorganisms. We will focus on how these organisms depend on their specific habitats and each other for survival. Next, we delve into the critical role of energy flow and nutrient cycling within ecological systems. This involves understanding how energy is transferred and utilized through complex food webs and chains. We also analyze the essential biogeochemical cycles that move vital nutrients throughout the environment. Understanding these processes is crucial for assessing and maintaining the overall health of our ecosystems. Finally, we will see how ecological insights inform the development of sustainable environmental policies. Ecological knowledge provides a scientific basis for creating effective policies that protect our planet. This understanding is vital for guiding successful conservation initiatives to preserve biodiversity and habitats. Ultimately, these efforts safeguard our precious natural resources for both current and future generations. Now, let us delve into the key components that make up any ecosystem. These are the interacting parts that collectively form a vibrant and self-sustaining natural community. First, we have biotic factors, which refer to all the living organisms within an ecosystem. These living organisms include things like plants, animals, and even microscopic bacteria. Examples of biotic factors are various species of plants, diverse animal populations, and numerous types of bacteria. Next, we consider abiotic factors, which are the non-living elements present in an ecosystem. These non-living elements include crucial environmental aspects like sunlight, water, and soil. So, think of sunlight, water, and the very soil beneath our feet as key abiotic elements. Then we have producers, which are organisms capable of making their own food. They typically do this through photosynthesis, converting sunlight into energy. Well-known examples of producers include large trees in forests and microscopic algae in water bodies. Finally, we examine consumers, which are organisms that obtain energy by eating other organisms. They cannot produce their own food, so they must consume other living things. Consumers can be herbivores, eating plants, or carnivores, eating other animals, as examples. Let us now explore the diverse types of ecosystems found across our planet. We can classify Earth's vast natural environments into several distinct categories. First, we have terrestrial ecosystems, which are primarily land-based environments. Examples include dense forests, expansive grasslands, and arid deserts, each with unique characteristics. Secondly, there are aquatic ecosystems, which are entirely water-based environments. These include vast oceans, flowing rivers, and serene lakes, each supporting distinct marine life. Lastly, we encounter artificial ecosystems, which are human-made or heavily influenced environments. Consider farms, bustling cities, and large reservoirs as prime examples of artificial ecosystems. We will now discuss the core ecological principles that guide sustainability efforts. These are fundamental natural laws that help us understand and manage our environment responsibly. A key principle is understanding energy flow in ecosystems, which is crucial for life. The sun provides the primary energy source, initiating the flow of energy through ecosystems. This energy then moves systematically through different trophic levels, from producers to consumers. This movement ultimately forms the interconnected food chains and intricate food webs we observe in nature. Another vital principle involves the various nutrient cycles in ecosystems. For instance, the carbon cycle plays a critical role in regulating CO2 levels in our atmosphere. The water cycle continuously moves essential water through evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Additionally, the nitrogen cycle is crucial for converting nitrogen into nutrients that plants can use. Finally, maintaining ecological balance is paramount for the health of our planet. High species diversity within an ecosystem directly ensures its stability and resilience against disturbances. This balance also actively prevents the depletion of vital resources, ensuring their long-term availability. Furthermore, these principles guide efforts to restore and rehabilitate damaged or degraded ecosystems effectively. Let us now gain a deeper understanding of what biodiversity truly means. Biodiversity is simply the vast variety of all life found across our planet Earth. It ensures that our ecosystems remain healthy, robust, and resilient against environmental changes. Genetic diversity refers to the natural differences that exist within a single species population. Species diversity, on the other hand, describes the wide variety of different species present in an ecosystem. Ecosystem diversity then refers to the broad array of different types of ecosystems found globally. We will now explore the essential ecosystem services that nature provides us. These are the invaluable benefits that humans receive directly from healthy, functioning ecosystems. First, we have provisioning services, which are the products we obtain from ecosystems. These include vital resources such as food, fresh water, wood for construction, and medicinal plants. Next, there are regulating services, which are processes that regulate our environment. Examples include climate regulation, natural air purification, and essential crop pollination by insects. Then, we consider cultural services, which are the non-material benefits we gain from ecosystems. These encompass recreation, tourism opportunities, and the profound spiritual or aesthetic value of nature. Finally, supporting services are the fundamental natural processes that enable all other services. This includes critical processes like soil formation, photosynthesis, and the continuous cycling of nutrients. Today, we will focus on defining carrying capacity, a crucial concept in ecological sustainability. Specifically, we will consider the Earth's ability to sustain life within its natural limits. Carrying capacity essentially represents the maximum population size that an environment can support. It is the largest population that a given environment can indefinitely sustain over time. This sustainability must occur without causing any permanent degradation or depletion of its resources. The carrying capacity is directly influenced by the quantity and quality of available resources. Let us now examine the critical dependency of populations on various environmental resources. These vital resources include essentials like food, clean water, adequate space, and available energy. Healthy ecosystems naturally work to regenerate and replenish these crucial resources over time. However, exceeding this capacity inevitably leads to the exhaustion and depletion of these resources. Finally, we will consider the significant environmental impacts of overpopulation and resource use. Indeed, an excessive population can directly result in the rapid depletion of essential natural resources. This depletion, in turn, often causes widespread environmental degradation and ecological harm. Achieving true sustainability necessitates maintaining a delicate balance between human demands and Earth's capacity. Let us now look at practical steps you can take to reduce your ecological footprint. Embracing sustainable energy sources is a vital step toward a lower environmental impact. Practicing sustainable consumption habits helps minimize waste and conserve valuable resources. Implementing effective water conservation strategies is crucial for preserving this precious resource. Actively engaging in waste reduction and robust recycling programs significantly lessens our footprint. Promoting green urban planning creates healthier, more sustainable cities for everyone to enjoy. Today, we will explore key conservation strategies that are vital for our planet. These strategies aim at protecting ecosystems and natural resources for the benefit of future generations. One crucial area is biodiversity protection, which safeguards the variety of life on Earth. This involves establishing protected areas like national parks and wildlife reserves to preserve habitats. Reforestation and afforestation efforts are key to restoring and expanding vital forest ecosystems. Furthermore, combating illegal wildlife trade is essential for protecting endangered species from exploitation. Another important strategy is sustainable land use, which manages our land responsibly. This includes implementing agroforestry practices, integrating trees with crops to enhance land productivity. Promoting organic farming methods reduces reliance on harmful chemicals and improves soil health. Creating urban green spaces within cities helps improve air quality and provides natural habitats. Finally, effective resource management ensures the wise use of our natural assets. This involves water harvesting and efficient irrigation techniques to conserve precious water supplies. Transitioning to renewable energy sources is critical for reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Practicing sustainable forestry ensures that timber resources are managed responsibly for long-term use. To conclude, let us summarize the ecological foundations we have discussed today. These are key takeaways that are essential for promoting sustainable living practices. Remember, ecology studies the intricate interactions between organisms and their surrounding environment. Ecosystems are comprised of biotic, abiotic factors, producers, consumers, and decomposers, all working together. Biodiversity is crucial as it provides essential ecosystem services that are vital for human well-being. Carrying capacity defines the Earth's natural resource limits, indicating what it can sustainably support. The ecological footprint measures humanity's overall impact and demand on the planet's resources. Ultimately, conservation and sustainable management are absolutely crucial for ensuring a healthy future for all generations.